and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have another pasta recipe for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So in today's video, we have a vegan pasta for you guys. This is going to be a hummus pasta. Yes, we're going to be using hummus in our pasta as our sauce. And if you haven't done that before, just like I haven't done that before, I do highly recommend that you try it because it looks super good, but we're going to try it out today and see what we think. So for this recipe, all you're going to need is some hummus. Now I'm using Ithaca lemon garlic hummus only because that's like specifically the one that they use in their recipe that I'm trying today. But typically I would just use one of my hummuses. I can link them up here if you guys want to check those out. Then you're just going to need some olive oil, pasta of your choice, some white cooking wine, some mushrooms, some zucchini, tomatoes, salt, garlic, all that good stuff. Now this is what I'm going to be using, but as always, if you guys want to add other veggies, or if you don't like zucchini and you want to add something else, you can totally do that. But that's all we're going to be using today. So the only thing I really even had to prep was our zucchini because I got mushrooms already sliced and made it really easy. And in this recipe, we're going to be putting the garlic cloves in there whole, just like that. So this is going to be similar to the Grape Feta Pasta video that I made. I can link that right up here too, where we're going to be just using, you can use a casserole dish, you can use whatever kind of dish you want to use. I'm just going to be using a cast iron pan, and we're going to be putting everything inside just like we did in that video. And like how we had the feta in the middle, we're going to have our hummus in the middle and then surround it with everything else. Then we're just going to pop this bad boy into the oven that's already preheated and just cook that for 30 to 40 minutes, and that's literally it. I just have my water boiling from now just so it gets nice and hot. And then you're just going to add some pasta. That's literally it. It's like a one-pan recipe, my favorite, so good. So without further ado, I'm going to go grab my apron just for the aesthetic because there's not really much that can get dirty here. And then we're going to get started. Okay, so apron is on. I turned the heat off because it's boiling now. So this is just an easy tip for you guys to do. Like I already have the water was boiling, right? And then I'm gonna cook everything or whatever, but it's just gonna be way easier for us to get back to that boiling point once the water is already hot in there, rather than, okay, everything's in the oven and we just realized our pasta is done in 5 minutes and our dish is almost done in 5 minutes and we forgot all of our pasta, and now we gotta go from scratch and go get cold water, warm water, and try and boil that up, and it's just like a mess. So just save yourself some time and boil it while you wait in the meantime. So all we're going to do here is, like I said, literally just add in all of these ingredients right to your pan or dish, whatever you're going to use. That's not bad at all. Maybe I will recreate this lemon garlic hummus. So we're just going to plop this bad boy right down in the middle. Good enough. You know me with my special spatulas, just so I can get every last bit. Okay. Now definitely let me know if you guys want me to add any more hummus recipes on my channel. I mean, once you kind of get the basics of how to make a really good hummus just like the original way, then making all the other flavors is way easier, but just let me know. So these are just sliced. You can chop them up even more, but I like them like this, so I'm just going to leave them just like this. But actually first I think I want to do the tomatoes because that takes up more space. So let's add our tomatoes just all the way around. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with adding more tomatoes. I'd rather have more of like a sauce going, so I'm going to add some more. Oops. Then we're going to go ahead and add our zucchini all the way around. Okay, just moved our pasta out of our way. Now it's time to add in our mushrooms. And mushrooms do hold some water content too, so that's going to definitely thin things out a bit. And just make sure everything is mixed around a little bit. Now we're just going to take our garlic cloves. Like I said, we're leaving them whole this time. I'm going to just add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of white cooking wine. And finally, we're just going to drizzle with some olive oil. Alright, and that's it, you guys. Check that out. There's literally like no prep involved. This is pretty much it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Now it says to bake for 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to go with 35, and then we're just going to check it out and go from there. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so let's check out our dish. This looks amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. Are you serious? You guys, this looks absolutely incredible. It smells so good. Everything is cooked nicely. We have everything is nice and crisp. Even our hummus is a little crisp. This looks amazing. So we have our pasta here. I'm just going to start mixing this around. Get our little sauce going. You can see there's definitely liquid at the bottom from, you know, the tomatoes, the mushrooms, all that good stuff. And our garlic is just going to kind of like squish. I think the 35 minutes was just perfect. You guys can stop at the 30 and kind of take a look, take a peek, go all the way to the 40. It's totally up to you, but for me, I had the oven at 400 degrees, 35 minutes, perfect. You guys, this looks so good. How easy was that to make? I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna start scooping in some pasta. You guys, how good does this look? Now I'm just going to let this cool just a little bit, and then we're going to plate it and try some. Okay guys, so we plated it. It smells so good. Okay, so let's try some. We already have our sauce. Let's get some pasta. Let's get mushrooms, some tomato. Oh, so good, you guys. Hold on. Hold the fort. Zucchini. This is so good, you guys. This is right up my alley, let me tell you. So I've never tried this recipe before. I've never used hummus as a sauce or anything like that before, but let me tell you, this is the easiest pasta I've ever made. It's so good. Not that you should ever feel bad about eating pasta, but I definitely don't feel bad about eating it here because I know everything here is healthy. We have our nice pasta. We're getting how many nutrients from our hummus and our protein, and we have all these veggies, and we have mushrooms, zucchini, garlic, tomatoes. We have all that good stuff. Oh, so good. So good. You have a little bit of that lemon with the garlic in your hummus. This is delicious. I can't wait to mess with other flavors of hummus and make other dishes like this. This was the easiest thing ever. So good. I know with the guys, they, you know, like meats in their pastas and stuff, so I can totally see, you know, adding some chicken in here or making a shrimp dish out of this or something like that. So good. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell and share this with one of your friends. The more eyeballs, the better, right? No, but seriously, it would help me a lot if you guys did give this a nice share. If you did like it, share it with somebody else, someone who you think would like this recipe, someone who loves pasta. There we go. Share this with someone who loves pasta. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then just head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.